Geek support. Are you having a problem with Windows having no sound? You can fix a lack of audio on your Windows 11 PC really simply with a simple click of an icon or a key press. Check if the sound is muted. Find the search bar in the application panel and type Control Panel. Open the Control Panel. In the upper right corner of the search bar, type Sound. Click on the sound icon. The sound device control panel opens. It is necessary to set up the equipment. Select the stereo line and click Test. If the sound does not appear, continue the setup. Check the box on the front left and right item and click Next. The setup is complete. Click Finish. Now you need to turn off the equipment. Click the right button on the hardware icon and select Disable. Next, you need to go to the System Device Manager and check that the hardware is disabled. Find the audio inputs and outputs item and make sure that the speakers are not in the list that opens. Activate the speakers again and check that they appear in the Device Manager. Try updating the device driver through Windows Update Manager. If all the actions you have done have not helped you return the sound to Windows 11, then you can use a cool life hack. Turn off the speakers in the Device Manager again. Open any browser and follow the link to download the registry configuration file that I made for you so that you don't enter a dozen commands on the command line. Make sure that you followed the correct link and got to the MediaFire website. The archive is called tweaks.zip. Accept the cookies and privacy rules and download the file by clicking on the blue download button. Wait until the archive is downloaded and close the window with the advertisement. Go to the folder where the archive was saved. Unzip the archive to the same folder. Find the tweak.reg file and run it by double-clicking with the left mouse button. Authorize changes. When prompted, click Yes on the taskbar to permit the application to make changes to your device. Click OK when asked to allow the registry editor to make necessary changes. Do not forget to activate the speakers in the Device Manager and restart the computer. If this instruction helps solve the sound problem in Windows 11, please like and subscribe to the channel. This is the best support for my channel. This way I will make more videos and help people. It's so simple. Geek support.